Try this once, and you'll never go back to the old way. One egg is enough to solve a stubborn problem in just a few minutes. Take a small bowl and crack the egg into it. The egg gives the mixture a smooth consistency and works as a natural binder for all ingredients. Next, add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, which makes the mixture creamier. To boost the power, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It neutralizes unpleasant odors and enhances the effect of the other ingredients. Then add soy sauce, which makes the mixture even more active. Now squeeze the juice of 1 lime into the bowl. Its natural acidity dissolves dirt and leaves a fresh scent. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. This is what washes and spreads the mixture evenly. Mix everything well, put on gloves, and apply it directly inside the toilet bowl. Spread it thoroughly and leave it for a few minutes to let the ingredients work. This mixture cleans the toilet like a natural vacuum and brush in one. It looks polished, shines without limescale or residue, and bad smells are gone. You'll never go back to the old methods. Drop an egg into the sink. It's a cheap method that works better than store-bought cleaners. Everyday products can turn into something surprisingly powerful. Grab a medium-sized bowl and crack 1 egg into it. Use a spoon to separate the egg white from the yolk. For this trick, you'll only need the white. Once separated, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl. Dish soap contains surfactants that break down grease and lift away dirt. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and slightly foamy. Pour it directly into the sink. This unusual combination works thanks to the natural properties of egg white and the cleaning agents in the soap. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively dissolves grease and buildup. Next, pour in about half a cup of vinegar, which acts as a natural solvent. Finish with about 1 cup of hot water to activate the solution faster. Wait a few minutes, then watch the sink clean itself. This home trick not only gets rid of stubborn grime, but also repels pests and helps keep your kitchen fresh and clean. Drop these 3 tablets into the sink, and even a plumber will be surprised. The clog will dissolve faster than sugar in tea. Take 3 tablets and crush them into a fine powder. Thanks to the acetylsalicylic acid they contain, they help remove dirt and blockages. Ordinary aspirin combined with other products becomes a powerful grease and grime remover. Pour the powder directly into the drain. Now it's time for vinegar. Pour in 1 tablespoon and let them work together. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Finally, pour warm water and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the aspirin and vinegar will do all the work for you. They will soften grease, dissolve deposits, and unblock the flow. After 30 minutes, rinse everything with running water. The sink will regain full flow. No harsh chemicals, and no need to call a specialist. Unpleasant odors disappear, and you can enjoy cleanliness and freshness. Safe for pipes and for you. Do this in the evening before bed. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid because of it. Take an orange. Cut a slice about 1 centimeter thick. Then place the citrus in the drain. Sprinkle some cinnamon on the orange. Pour hot water over it. Push a sink plug through it and close the drain for the entire night. This will repel earwigs and eliminate unpleasant odors from the drain. Earwigs are mostly active at night and often hide in small, damp crevices during the day, becoming active at night when they search for food scraps. Use the citrus plug trick, and additionally, you'll get rid of bad smells and disinfect the drain. Cinnamon and orange are natural ingredients with strong antibacterial and refreshing properties, making them ideal for disinfecting the sink. The essential oils from the orange help fight bacteria, while cinnamon has antifungal properties, effectively eliminating unpleasant odors. Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube. shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors. This unclogs the drain better than a machine. Every home needs this green liquid. Once you use it, you'll quickly notice the difference. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 7 ounces of dish soap. Its powerful degreasing properties help dissolve food residues and grease that accumulate in the drain. Next, add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove buildup and bacteria from the pipes. Now pour in 3 ounces of vinegar and mix everything thoroughly. Before pouring the mixture into the sink, remove the strainer. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda has strong cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. Now pour the prepared mixture into the drain and leave it overnight, so the ingredients have time to break down dirt and disinfect the pipes. In the morning, close the sink and fill it with hot water. Once full, remove the plug. The strong stream of water will flush out any remaining dirt and bacteria, leaving the drain clean and odor-free. Using this method twice a month will keep your pipes clear, and your sink will always smell fresh. Throw an egg into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. It's a simple and inexpensive way to create a solution that will be useful in the kitchen. Take a bowl and crack an egg into it. Then, using a plastic bottle, separate the egg. The bottle will perfectly extract the yolk, which you can use for other purposes, as this trick only requires the egg white. Next, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl with the egg white. Mix it thoroughly until it forms a uniform solution. Pour it into the sink. This mixture is a clever use of natural chemical compounds that can work wonders. Wait a moment for the ingredients in the mixture to do their job. Then, watch as your sink gets effectively cleaned. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests, while quickly cleaning up any residues. Save your sink with a balloon. This simple trick will save you time and money, and it will keep your faucet from needing replacement. All you need is 1 balloon to create a practical solution. First, take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the end with a knife. You'll only need the cut-off part, so you can discard the rest of the bottle. Next, unscrew the cap and prepare a candle and a fork. Heat the fork over the candle flame. And once it's hot enough, use it to make small holes in the cap. Now screw the cap with the holes back onto the cut-off part of the bottle. Take a balloon and cut off its top about halfway. Put the balloon's cut end onto the prepared bottle piece. Once everything is set, attach it to the faucet. The water flowing through the holes in the cap will create a more diffused stream that reaches all corners of the sink. With this solution, your sink will be much easier to clean, and without the expensive faucet replacement, you can effectively rinse every corner of your sink and enjoy better functionality in your kitchen.